Hello everyone, I'm Big Solo and welcome to this video tutorial. In this particular video, I'm going to be learning with you one of the character that plays a major role that can help people to become more successful. This is the only community where we learn to be successful. So if today is your first time of coming across our community, kindly hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you can join our amazing community. Most of us believe that success is about taking risks, and if that is how you think, you are 100% right. But did you know that there is one particular character that keeps risk takers to become more successful and win? In this particular video, I'm going to be discussing with you one of the most important character that plays a major role that me and you, we are not focusing on that character. And we have to learn right now and start developing this character if we want to become successful like those successful people that we see in our community or we see on the internet. Now, let me tell you this. Success is about taking risks. But another character that we are going to discuss is boldness. I repeat, boldness. So if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to break it down how you need to develop boldness character to help you to win successfully. Let me use boxers for example. Okay, those who fight, I want to use them to explain how boldness is going to help you. They are also risk takers. They take the risk, they decided to fight, and their body that they have accepted to receive every kind of punch that is coming is the risk they have taken. They have taken the risk to use their body to collect that medal, to fight, to win that medal. But after they have taken the risk, how does boldness comes in before they can win the fight? Even if they lose, how does boldness comes in? Boldness comes in when they step in the ring. Because when it's about a time to step in the ring, that is where the boldness comes in. When they see their opponent, the body and everything, because they are bold, they will step into the ring. Remember, for the risk, they have taken it already. I am taking this risk to use my body to receive any punch, no matter where my opponent is going to hit me or punch me. It can be your nose, it can be your eye, whatever. But they have taken the risk that they can do that. But the boldness is how they are bold and step into the ring and fight and fight and fight till they win. Immediately they step into the ring, risk is gone. It will remain boldness. So you as an investor, or you as a beginner, or you as an online entrepreneur, being a fiscal business owner, or you are trying to become online investor, you need to start right now to develop this boldness character. Me and you have to do that. If only we want to become successful like the people you see out there, it's not all about taking the risk. So now we've seen one illustration or one example that successful people always use boldness to win. Now, another example or illustration that I'm going to do right now is about myself. Okay? I have been an online entrepreneur since 2019, and since then I have been investing online. I've been investing in fiscal businesses, and currently as I'm doing this video, what I am investing in is what I'm going to use as an example for you to clearly understand that for you to become successful, it's not all about taking the risk. You also have to develop a boldness decision. I'll put something on the screen for you to see. There is this company, okay? There is this company called CBES. CBES is an exchange like all this cryptocurrency exchange, and what they do is that they have trading investment packages that if you are bold enough, you can join them for their 6 months challenge. Now, when you look at the chart, you see if you put like $3,000 for 6 months, you are going to get a total of $71,360 in 6 months. And this is the challenge I have started. Now, I have taken the risk to join this challenge. I have put the $3,000, and I'm going to wait for 6 months to receive $71,000. Now, I have taken the risk already, so I have put the money. How does boldness comes in for me to win this challenge? Boldness comes in when I have been trading for like 2 months, 3 months. After I check my account and I have like $40,000, $45,000. Hey, wow, should I withdraw this money? What if I wake up tomorrow and the system is no more there? What if they run away with my money? What if the system collapses? All these questions comes. But because I set my target to collect $71,000, I am bold enough to leave this capital or investment in the exchange or in the account for it to continue growing. Now, do you see how boldness always helps risk takers to become successful or to win completely? I know you are interested to become online entrepreneur. You are interested to invest money, being a beginner, being intermediate, or you have more experience. But in this video, I just want to tell you that boldness play a major role if only you want to win completely. So let's start to develop both this character right now. This is why you have to be on this channel, so that if I drop any video that can help you to make important investment decision, or any video that is going to help you to learn more as you are moving forward, it can help you. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and become a member of this community. If you also you want to join this 6 months challenge, you can click the link in the video description. Maybe you can contact me and I'll give you more details. If possible and you want, you can also join the challenge. I hope this business or this video finds you and it helps you a lot to learn how you can add boldness to the kind of risk you take to help you to win successfully. This is the only channel where we learn to be successful. Thank you very much for watching this video. Kindly subscribe, share, and see you in our another video.